Fiona, you were telling me you're having a headache.
Yes.
And can you tell me, is it in the front, top, sides, or the back of the head?
The back of the head.
The back of the head, okay. Now let's take a look. So Fiona's having headaches, and what we're going to do is examine her cervical spine or her neck. And we want to see where there's a locking mechanism, where there's a subluxation, a vertebra out of place, a misaligned bone irritating a nerve exiting the spine. And we see that she has a problem right here at C5 on the left. So now, Fiona, if you would, lay on your stomach, face down on the table. And what we're going to show you is just how we would be working on you when you come in for your adjustment. And it's a painless procedure. It feels good to get adjusted and get the pressure off the spine. Now we notice that Fiona has a very, very tight, stiff area right here at the base of the neck and the upper back. And that's one of the headache buttons that causes headaches, because the nerves which exit the spine right here control the rate of blood flow to the brain. That's very critical because the blood carries oxygen and the brain must get enough oxygen at all times. So what we notice with Fiona's spine is what we see in almost every Jamaican spine, and that is rather unusual tightness and stiffness. So we notice that this bone here is about an inch over to the left, way over to the left, and that's playing a role in her headaches today. And just relax, just let it be nice and easy. And I don't know if you can hear that, but there was the sound of the bone releasing. And we're just going to come down and free up some of these other stuck segments in her spine. Now, most Jamaicans have these really stiff spines, and the best reason we've been able to figure is people falling off the bed when they're still infants, 3, 4, 5 days old, and then these problems never get corrected early in life. And we can see Fiona's spine is really unusually stiff, so she needs to have a lot of work done, and this is one of her very first adjustments. So we expect it to be stiff in the beginning, and then as we start to effect a correction, we'll find these segments all loosen up very nice. Now, Fiona, if you'll turn over on your back for a moment. And, excuse me, square up a little bit, good. Okay. And so we found some areas when we were palpating her spine. Here's one right here, left C2, and C5 on the right. All right. So we're now taking a look at Fiona's cervical spine, her neck, and we have a problem right here at C5, the fifth bone in the neck from the top down. And we're gently going to nudge this bone back in place in an attempt to relieve her headaches. And we got C2 on the left. Very, 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 very nice. All right, come on up. And that's what an adjustment looks like. And you should come in and find out how good it feels to have the nerve interference in your spine cleared out, and just find out how healthy and good you can feel all the time with chiropractic.